Laki yata nito. Let me show you the ubi part. Mukhang mas maganda sa camera kapag ka-ubi. Baka gusto yung magmerienda. Gumawa po ako ng sapin-sapin. Patong-patong na kulay, iba't ibang flavor. Ganda ng kulay. Sarap! 2 cups of glutinous rice flour. 1 cup sugar. A pinch of salt. I have 1 can of coconut milk, 400 ml, and whisk it. Okay, this is the consistency that you want. Para siyang paste. We will divide the batter into 3. Tatlong kulay po ang gagawin natin eh. Ube, pandan, and orange. Let's add, now let's add the flavoring. Let's start with ube. Ingatan nyo malagyan yung kuko nyo. Pag nalagyan, para kayong bumoto. Hindi naman eleksyon. Ito naman, sweet yellow or dark yellow. Looks like orange. Green color on the third batter. The pandan. Ube, pandan, and orange. Habang pinapakulo po natin yung tubig, kung saan natin pasisingin ng itong ating sapin-sapin, gumawa po ako ng white batter. Ito po ang magiging vanilla natin. Para magiging 4 ang kulay, pakikita ko sa inyo ha. And we are going to use a square pan, 8 by 8, lined with banana leaves. I already brushed this with the coconut oil, yung pong langis nung ating latik. Steamer basket. Your sapin-sapin, clean kitchen towel, and cover. Okay, after 4 minutes, stable na po yung ating batter. Now let's add our vanilla flavor. 1.5 cups. Takpan po ulit natin. And let's steam it more. Okay, let's check this out after 8 minutes. Tingnan natin kung matigas-tigas na itong ating okay na. So this is what I will do. Lalagyan po natin ng langka. We will strain. Lagyan natin ng konting langka. Let's add jackfruit. Sorry na lang, doon sa hindi makakakuha ng langka ha. Now let's add the orange flavor. And let's cover it again. There. Okay. This one only took 5 minutes because the orange batter is thin. Diba, konti lang yung orange natin na nilagay. Now I'm going to add the vanilla flavor. 1.5 cups. Let's add more langka on top. Okay, let's cover again. And let's steam it more. After 8 minutes. Stable na yung vanilla. Let's add the final flavor. Yung ating pandan. I will not put the kitchen towel anymore because it's gonna stick into the towel dahil dikit na po eh. This one we will only steam for 3 minutes. Kasi manipis na yung ating pandan batter eh. You heard that? That was 3 minutes. Okay. You know what I will do next? I will just turn off the heat and I will let it cool down. At baka po mapaso ako. Mainit kasi yung ating steamer basket eh. So I'm just gonna leave this alone for now until it has cooled down slightly. This is the latik that I made earlier. I will add the chopped jackfruit. Latik and jackfruit. Malamig na. Brush ko muna yung pinggan ng langis. Yun. Look at this, everybody. Baliktad ulit natin. Yun. Let's brush it first with the coconut oil. Latik. Let's add our chopped langka. Okay, let's slice it. Let me show you the ubi part. Mukhang mas maganda sa camera kapag ka-ubi eh. Ano sa tingin nyo? Hands down, sapin-sapin po ang pinaka-paborito kong Pilipinong kakanin. I-declare ko na. Madali nang gawin, mura pa mga ingredients. Sarap!